Filtering aluminum hydroxide, which, as you know, is one of those annoying substances which kind of clay or mashed potato-y consistency. The suction will remove water, obviously, and there it goes. As the water's pulled out, the particles coagulate together, and just like clay, when it dries, it starts cracking. You can see cracks forming in here. And the cracks let air through, which means that the suction is less strong, meaning you're not really pulling the liquid out of the solid anymore. So one of the problems is that you'll have a lot of stuff trapped inside. I would go ahead and press it with a beaker or stopper or something to press the liquid out. It works especially well on just normally powdery or crystalline things, because you're compressing a solid, so you're squishing liquid out of the gaps. But again, you can't really squish this because it's like a paste. You can smooth over the cracks. As the water's pulled out, it's going to form cracks again, and you have to keep chasing them. It's just really messy. I don't want to do this for, half an hour and have to wash it and then do that again for half an hour. Well, damn it, rubber dam. These are a very old school chemistry trick. These are actually made for dental stuff, of nitrile or NBR, latex, and you just put it over the funnel and you cinch it with a rubber band. So it seals, and what happens is as the suction goes through this, you have the, atmospheric pressure pressing down onto the solid. But the problem with using rubber like this is that it's expensive, and also it poses a cross-contamination risk because rubber absorbs things, of course, and also rubber is attacked by many organic solvents. It's a simple solution. Plastic wrap. In fact, there is a publication about this one. Saran branded plastic wrap is made of polyethylene, which is of course inert, so you don't need to worry about it, and it's cheap and it's replaceable. So you don't want to tighten the plastic wrap too much, because if it has to suck down too much, it will just pop. And we sit that on there. Now this wrap I have here is actually not saran wrap. It's not polyethylene. It's off-brand, which is PVC, so this will be attacked by many organic solvents, but it'll work fine for alcohols and water. Now if you're worried about plasticizer, you can put a filter paper on top before you put the plastic wrap on, or you just use parafilm. So anyway, pulled down to about the strongest vacuum this will do, which is about 70mm mercury, and you can see it's going through decently, and you can aid this along if you want by pressing it, especially along the edge. Assuming an exact, 0 atmospheres, 1 atmosphere on top, it would be about 220 kilograms of force on this filter cake. But because we're not actually at that, it's closer to about 200 kilograms of force pressing on here, which is still a lot of force if you think about it, and that's why this is so effective. Once this is done dripping, if you need to wash this, all you gotta do is just peel this back a little bit, pour your solvent in on top. You could just put the plastic wrap back on. Liquid runs through, washing the solid. Then the wrap will press the filter cake again, pressing all the liquid out. So that means you also need less solvent and less washes.